Hi, Todd Heberlin, Business Development Manager at Exertis Almo. We're here at the BrightSign booth. We're at the New Jersey E4, and we're going to talk today about a couple of products, one of them being the XT5 series. So this is the XT1145. This one has an HDMI input. This will be shipping now in a couple of weeks. It's the most powerful player they have, with the exception of the XC models, which we're going to talk about next. So everybody's pretty much familiar with the XT model. That's been around a while. This is just the latest of that. The XC model we have here, this one here is an XC4055. It's a 4-output player made specifically for video walls. It's also capable of a single 8K output. So in this, we're going to show an example. This is actually 4 images here being spread out across 4 HDMI outputs. And you can see that it can also be just used for 4 individual feeds. So here we have each, it's got its own image. So each one has its own image, or it can actually switch very easily. Oh, well, if I do it right, was showing a spread image across 3 of them and then its own image over here. So to learn more about these, you can visit our website. That's www.exertisalmo.com, or you reach out to myself, Todd Heberlin, or your local rep.